My name is Derek Green. I am the owner of Green Tech Cleaning. We're located in Crestview, Florida. We specialize in residential and commercial cleaning, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, pressure washing, pretty much anything that has anything to do with cleaning we focus on. One of the struggles with running a small business is customer acquisition because it takes a lot for customers to gain trust in newer companies. My experience and relationship with Thryv has been great. Thryv is basically a one-stop shop for us when it comes to booking appointments, assigning and scheduling jobs to employees, sending invoices, estimates. I can do all of those things all under one platform. What I like about Thryv is the fact that I can use it on my smartphone. You can use it on the go, you can send invoices, quotes. Thryv lets me send invoices immediately, so getting paid is easy. I've noticed that a lot of customers like the fact that I get those things to them in a timely manner. Seeing all the customers' information all in one place makes it simple for us to communicate with our customers. The calendar feature is great because the customer has options as far as, if things change and they reschedule, they can do that easily. They'll receive reminders, and I have access to regulate when they receive those reminders so appointments won't be missed. The calendar feature internally helps the company because when we assign our workers to a job, we receive those reminders, the client receives those reminders, and the employee receives those reminders as well. My name is Derek with Green Tech Cleaning. My entire staff uses Thryv from their smartphones because the scheduling features make it easy to stay organized.